Silvergate pumped from our bottom that we discussed it in our pre-market update for today's video when we said the $1.31 should be our bottom support to have a reversal. The $1.66 should be the squeeze to go toward the profit taking, as we suggest around $1.93. See, the price got rejected just below the $1.93 and went down. We're going to discuss if going for another profit taking. Next up, we got PLXP. We already talked about it yesterday when we have a breakout from the 31.25 resistance, and we did chart analysis update after we finished our live streaming, and we said this should be our profit taking and resistance zone, the 46 cents. And guess what? The price went there and got rejected big time. That's why we always suggest take your profit on the way, because if this reaction, see what's happened yesterday, we did almost 60%, then today we plunged down almost 58%. Next up, we got Lucy. The price getting juicy and exploding today almost 200%. And we spot this reaction on our live streaming when we said there's a rejection around the $4. We got a huge wick and the price went down. Maybe we're gonna have a power hour for Lucy for a test for the $4.13. We're gonna have to build our strategy for Lucy for today before the market close. EBS is still continuing to go higher from yesterday trade. As we said, if we hold the $11.50, we're gonna have a continuation and see this reaction. We have upside movement momentum, and this flag is still uptrending toward the profit taking that we discussed for today. Coinbase, right, and Mara, three of them are pumping because, of course, you guessed it, Bitcoin testing a new level around the 30,000. That's why all of them, those crypto stocks, as everybody called them, because are currently related to the price action for Bitcoin going up. For Coinbase is 8%, for Riot 11%, for Mara is 9%. We're going to discuss where the price will go for all of them. If you want to load up on AMC and the other blue chip company, you can on Momo, because you can actually win 15 free stocks when you join with my special link in comment section below. And those stocks you can win are Palantir, DKNG, Fuel Energy, Tesla, AMC. A lot of stocks you can actually win when you join Momo platform. And how you can win those stocks? This is a really great question to ask. Really simple. You can just open an account on Momo and you can get one free stocks. However, if you want to increase your chance to win those stocks, you can actually deposit $100 in order to win 5 free stocks. And there is no funding deposit. Platform fees, everything, level 2 data is all free. The only thing that you pay for just 0.65 cent per contract. So this is the contract fees if you want to trade options on Momo. So use this opportunity and get you 15 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video and discuss Silvergate, because the price went higher around our bottom support, and we already discussed it today in our pre-market update, and that's why the price actually reversed, and the first ignition was around the $1.60. Profit taking triggered around the $1.90 and we went down. So now the current support that we should hold is over the $1.50, and the resistance is around the $1.90 or $1.93. So now let me just change the green line to orange line, which is a breakout zone. After we break the $1.93 for Silvergate, we're gonna have a profit taking toward the $2.41. At the time being, we need to hold the $1.52 to confirm this reaction. BLXB, unfortunately, is not good to trade this one, because now we got a huge selling pressure for today, and we didn't hold our current support or bottom around the 19 cents. So we already did our trade yesterday when we have this breakout, and we already took our profit around the 46. That's why we suggest don't hold it overnight. Those stocks is pretty volatile, and this reaction could happen. Pre-market today gapped down almost 50% and still continue to go down. So I don't suggest to buy the dip for this one. I already put alert around the 31 for a squeeze. Otherwise, below that, I will not touch it. Lucy getting really good because the price pumped almost 200% today, At the same time, we don't have a huge selling pressure because we're still holding the current support, which is the $2.79. As long as we hold this current support, it means a huge whale still buying Lucy, and there's another price pump for Lucy after we break the $4.13 next time. We might have this reaction in power hour. If we have, we're gonna do chart analysis update in our Discord and our Patreon, of course, where we do chart analysis update every time. If we have a breakout like PLXP have a breakout yesterday and after hours or before the market close, and of course we got the other one is EBS. So stay tuned for this update. If we have a breakout over the $4.13 for today market in power hours or a pre-market, because even in pre-market we might have a gap over the $5. So the current profit taken is the $5 and the current resistance is the $4.13. Next up, we got EBS. Still, the price continued to go higher. As we said, we got great news regarding price analysis for this stock toward the $22. At the same time, we got a new drug will be approved next summer. That's why the price is continuing to go higher for EBS. And now the support should hold for the stock is over the $12.50. The profit taken, as we suggest, is the $14.30. Hopefully we don't have a huge pullback after the Fed meeting for tomorrow. That's why a lot of people anticipate for a pullback. We'll see if we still holding the 1250 is mean really strong indication that EBS will continue to go higher toward the 1430. So now let's discuss Coinbase, Riot, and Mara, the crypto stocks. First, we got Coin. We got a breakout from the $70. The good thing that we're still holding over the 70. And the bad thing is we accumulating near it. So now it's still good that Coinbase is still have the gain that we did today. We don't have fake out or a big selling pressure after we tested the 70. So as long as we hold over the 70 will be a really clear indication for strength, and the support, and not the bottom, but the support should be here. Let me just lower it around the 66. Okay, let me just take this off. So the 66 should be a kind of warning sign. If Coinbase went below the 66, it means we're gonna have a sell-off and a fake out for the price action for Coinbase. Otherwise, if we hold over the 66, we're gonna have a continuation toward the 84. For Riot, on the other hand, we still have the support around the $10.20. The profit taken is around the $13. We missing how much from this profit taken? Another 9%. Is doable, yeah. And Mara is doing all right because we have a support or breakout zone that we already broke out from for today market is around the $8.72. So this is the support that we should hold for the coming days and weeks for Mara, and the current support to confirm the strength for the chart is over the $9.25, and the profit taken is around the $10.48. It will be really near. We might test it in power hour or tomorrow. Yeah, another 5% for Mara to go toward this profit taken. We're gonna do pre-market update tomorrow and live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.